Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into relaxation mode with the best indoor waterfall fountain you can get, the Alpine Corporation 14 tiered log tabletop fountain. If you're looking for something to bring peace, beauty, and a little bit of nature into your home, stick around because this fountain is an absolute game changer. All right, first things first, just look at this beauty. It's got this rustic, woodsy vibe that makes it look like a mini waterfall straight out of a rainforest. Plus, it's compact at 14 inches tall, so it fits perfectly on a desk, a shelf, or even your bedside table. Who needs a white noise machine when you've got the real deal? Now, let's talk about the real reason you're here. How this thing actually performs. Relaxing water flow. This fountain mimics the sound of a natural waterfall, creating a super calming atmosphere. Whether you're meditating, working, or just Netflix binging, it adds a touch of serenity. Built-in LED lights. And check this out. The LED lights give the water this magical glow at night. Instant mood setter. Durable construction. Made from resin, stone powder, and fiberglass, this thing is built to last. No rust, no wear, just pure relaxation for years. Now you might be wondering, what makes this the best indoor waterfall fountain when there are so many on Amazon? Well, some fountains are too loud. This one has the perfect balance of sound. Some look cheap and plasticky. This one is super realistic and elegant. Some splash water everywhere. This one is designed to keep the water flowing neatly. Basically, if you want an indoor fountain that's beautiful, functional, and built to last, this is the one. Now, who is this fountain perfect for? Homeowners who love cozy, peaceful decor. Meditation and yoga lovers who need relaxing ambiance. Office workers who want a stress-free workspace. Anyone looking for a unique and thoughtful gift. So my final thoughts? The Alpine Corporation tiered log fountain is hands down the best indoor waterfall fountain for anyone who wants a touch of nature, relaxation, and elegance in their space. I highly recommend it. All right. If you're ready to bring relaxing waterfall vibes into your home, check out the link in the description below to grab yours today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more awesome reviews. See you in the next video. Stay relaxed and happy.